Welcome to Sound Effects. This is an energizer with a twist. It's a combination of the wacky races, the gumball rally, and just a soupçon of the Honda advert thrown in for good measure. The soundtrack has been removed from our race, and we need to provide the sound effects, ladies and gentlemen.
And they're off. It's Boomling and Rubble Runner neck and neck. Oh no, there's oil on the road. This could be nasty. Oh, Digital Dave is in a spin. His hard drive has literally crashed. Let's take a closer look and go to the in-car camera. No doubt he's in the bar, feeling rattled. They've got to drive carefully though. This road is littered with speed cameras. Slowly. Something tells me they're not going to be too happy about that. That poor sheep's met its maker. First into the tunnel goes Eureka Flow. There's an oncoming train! Phew! That was a close one. What's this? We're getting close to Paris now. Will Big Tank ever make it to France? Uh-oh, that twister's getting closer. Big Tank takes this stage.